cheese sandwich is gone! I made this last night! Who ate my food?
Maybe a food monster came at night. Why are you shouting so early in the morning?
Someone ate my special lunch. I was saving it for school.
I only ate one tiny cookie. Maybe Dad was hungry.
Why is everyone looking at me?
Dad, did you eat my sandwich?
No way! I only drank orange juice. But I saw someone sneaking around last night.
I will find the food thief today.
Can I help? I want to catch the sandwich monster too.
Take this at least. Don't stay hungry.
You lost your food again? This is becoming a mystery movie.
This time feels different. Dad saw someone walking at night. Wait, these crumbs are fresh. How did crumbs get there? Maybe the thief touched your bag. This wasn't mine. This wasn't mine.
Good morning, students! Please hurry to class.
Please. What if the thief followed me to school? Then we must stay alert.
Tom, are you searching for something?
Only my missing sandwich. It was a very important sandwich. Jack, look near the trash can. Look, relax. Wait, you won. Isn't it yoga lunch wrapper? This looks exactly like your lunch wrapper.
What are you boys doing now?
You bored? Someone brought my food to school.
Maybe the thief is still here.
Lily, why are you here?
Mom forgot her bag, so we came back.
Are you still thinking about the sandwich?
The mystery is getting bigger.
I saw someone hiding there earlier.
Maybe the thief escaped. Look at these footprints.
Look at these footprints. These shoes look very large. This feels like detective work.
The footprints go toward the park.
These giant feet are funny.
Maybe someone ate my lunch here.
Another clue.
Another clue. This says sorry.
Your mom called me. Why are you searching parks for sandwiches?
Someone stole my lunch and left clues everywhere.
Jack? Where did that ketchup come from?
I ate fries yesterday!
Jack? Are you hiding something?
Maybe Jack is the sandwich thief!
I didn't steal your food, Tom. Then why do you have ketchup stains? Because I bought fries for us after school today.
I wanted to surprise you because you missed lunch.
Oh. I thought you betrayed me.
Good friends do thoughtful things.
Wait! What is that?
That's my wrapper! Why is it on your shoe? Last night, I carried my lunch while playing games. I'll eat this later.
Can I have one bite?
I completely forgot the window was open. So the thief was a cat. I blamed everyone for nothing.
Good. Nobody is fighting anymore.
The real criminal escaped through the window.
This was the funniest mystery ever! Next time, protect your sandwich better.
Next time, I'll lock it in a safe.
Since the sandwich disappeared, we can all share food together.
And nobody steals anything this time.